Today we are going to solve question number 7. In this, the question says the metrics server has been installed in the cluster. Your colleague would like to know the kubectl commands to 1. Show nodes resource usage, and second, show pods and their containers resource usage. Let's jump to our cluster. We are running kind Kubernetes cluster with one node. And let's start with the first part, which is show nodes resource usage. We'll say k top nodes, and as we can see, there is one node kind control plane with CPU cores of 379M and CPU is 4%, memory bytes is 770 MI, and memory is 4%. So what we have to do is we have to send it to this location. We will make a directory at /temp/opt/course/7, and we'll give an argument of -p. Now what we will do is do an echo kubectl top nodes, and we will send it to tmp/opt/7/nodes.sh node.sh. Okay, oh, not exo, it's echo. Okay, now it's done. Now let's check it. For that we have to go chmod +x, and we'll give /temp/opt/course/7/node.sh. Now we'll run it sh and this hold path. Yeah, it's working. Now let's get on to our second part, which is show pods and their containers resource usage. For that, let's clear the screen. We'll write k top pods --containers -a in all namespaces, and here it is. It is showing us the pods running inside, also the CPU and memory, and echo double quotes kubectl double quotes send it to temp/opt/course, where it is course7 and pod 7/pod.sh. Okay, now let's give it execution rights. For checking, and we will do again, and it should work. Okay, I think that's about it. Thank you.